Creative leaders see opportunity to solve problems and imagine a world that others don't. The top 52 creative leaders. Innovation, vision, progressiveness, originality, and resourcefulness are all characteristics of successful creative leaders. Creativity was ranked the most important leadership quality for success in business. This is why here at Skilltivity, we have compiled and curated the top 52 creative leaders today. So coming in at number 50, we have Marques Brownlee. You may know him as MKBHD. He reviews those tech products that all of us want. So he's on a list for those timely video reviews on YouTube. Let's check it out.
Well, I do tech videos, so I think the obvious answer there is tech has been interesting and important for so long. The channel itself, I mean, there's plenty of other successful tech channels, but it has its own unique style. It has a consistent voice. It's been me for 10 years.
Yeah.
So I guess just if you combine all those factors, consistency plus tech staying interesting, that's mainly it. Sometimes I see my job as like a professional user.
Okay.
Like I really just have to use it, and so you get the briefing obviously and the breakdown of all the new features and what is new versus what's not new, and you can compare it to things you've used before. But at the end of the day, like you actually have to use it to figure out if it's actually useful. That challenge to make like the perfect video is like so the air quotes for audio listeners, like that's always probably going to be a moving goalpost.
Yeah, you're always reaching for it.
If you aren't following MKBHD and you aren't subscribed to his channel, you're doing life wrong. You're doing it wrong. So we need to go ahead and get on to that. But make sure you subscribe to my channel as well and see when this next video is coming. Thank you for watching Skilltivity's top 52 creative leaders. And as you follow our curated list, I provided a resource for you. And it's to help you develop your own creative leadership skills. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creative Leadership Success. And you can get it for free by clicking on the link below in the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to Skilltivity. We've got videos coming, and you want to make sure to follow us as we keep going on this journey. Hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that come. Just know that Skilltivity, we're here to help you move forward in advancing your creative skills. We're always aiming for that. So from me to you, from Carrington to you, see you soon.